Hi everyone, and welcome back to another SMARTR tutorial. Alright, that's all we have for you today on how to create a class. Let's get started. In Talent Development tab, you select a course you want to create a class. Under your course image, you now can see the Class tab. Then you click Add Class. In Details, you can fill in information required such as class name, class type, capacity, class start date, end date. Roadmap. Allow admin to set up the learning track for this class by locking, unlocking sessions based on completion requirement. Session check-in and feedback is always available in the roadmap session. You cannot remove them. Add new session by one of the two following ways. Click on Add Session button on the top right corner of roadmap area. Or, click on plus button icon between the two sessions. Session information pop-up appears. Fill in the fields with instructions as below. Session name. Session description. Condition. We currently have two types of trigger. Add a session trigger. Allow admin to set up the condition for learner to unlock this session. Add a time trigger. Allow admin to set up when this session is available. Select as many as necessary materials for your session from the material library. Click Add button. After successfully adding a material, you will see the box including completion requirement of material, and some other settings, based on the material you choose. Click on Save button to save your session. Pass condition. This condition to decide if a learner passes or fails this class. You have two choices. Learners who check in will pass. Learners who complete the following sessions will pass. You can add all sessions or choose sessions from the list. Note: only session that contains material with completion requirement appears in this list. After filling all the required fields, let's save your changes. You have two options. Option 1: Publish your class. Then click Save button at the left corner to publish your class. Option 2: Save your class as a draft. Then click Save button at the left corner to save your class as a draft and edit in the future. Hopefully you feel confident using the SMARTR interface and are ready to how to create a class. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more SMARTR tutorials. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.